Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. Another episode of Hop Into It, video blog, whatever you want to call it. But today, what we're really talking about is our commercial process, right? Especially for if you are a new or first-time commercial Kanga Care client, what the heck to expect, really? Because the number one thing we tell everyone is we're different. We think that's a great thing. Not everyone does, because in our industry here in Metro Detroit, people don't realize you actually only really need a ladder, a truck, and to get somebody to believe you that you're insured. And technically, you're a commercial roofer. You don't have to be licensed. There's no required certifications, which has led to really kind of de-evolution or a degradation of the quality of service being provided here for commercial clients when it comes to commercial roofing, whether it's repair or replacement. And quite frankly, we don't think that's right. We're on a mission to change that. So, hey, if you really just want somebody to send out an inspector and mail you a quote or email you a quote, God bless you. That's how a lot of people do business. It's not us. And please understand, we're not willing to operate that way. So we're not going to be the right fit for you. However, if you want a real partner who's going to take the time and go through our process and educate you and show you what the best solutions are for you, what all of the options are, whether they're great solutions or not, man, I think you're going to really like what we have to offer and how we do it. So, first step in the process is literally getting a hold of us. And you'll find that when you call Kanga Roof, you get a live human being, because you're not calling us as a roofer because you're generally having a great day. There's generally a leak or something going on. So you're going to meet with, or not meet with, but you'll talk with one of our great Kanga Care representatives. They're going to get some basic information from you, and then we're going to get one of our commercial roofing specialists out to meet with you. Really important to note here, that meeting is not the inspection. We call that the assessment meeting. It only lasts 10, 15 minutes. And the purpose of it, it's really, really important actually though. What they're coming out to do is to meet you, understand, what the business is, what you're looking for, but really understand the building itself and understand the roofing membrane itself or the roofing system up there. How old is it? How many times has it been replaced? Any of that basic information, because the next step after that initial assessment meeting, we got to get one of our inspectors out there. And when the inspectors can have all of that information at their disposal, really understand what the problem is, what kind of solutions the building or company are looking for, they get to put on their roof detective hats and come up with some really great and out of the box solutions that, hey, if they're just going up and just trying to find maybe what's wrong without any of that other context, it makes their job really tough. So they're going to go out, full inspection, look at everything, not just the immediate problem, but look at everything so you really understand what's going on with your roof and building system. And then from there, once that inspection is complete, and they are going to spend a couple hours out there, depending on the size of the building. Generally, an inspection takes somewhere between a half day and a full day. They come back, compile the inspection report, and then they meet with the estimating team. The estimating team then is going to put together whatever you requested, whatever your request was, they'll do that for you. But then in that handoff and collaboration process with our inspectors, they're going to look for what are other viable possible solutions for you that might return a better either lifespan of the roof, a more cost-effective solution that maybe you were unaware of. They're going to put those numbers together too. The third and final step, they are going to then, they being your commercial roofing specialist, come back out, meet with you one more time. Now this one does take a little bit of time. Generally, there's somewhere between 30 to 60 minutes. And what we're doing in that time, let's review the inspection report. What did they find up on your roof? Was it what we expected and what you expected? If it wasn't, why and what's happening? Number two, let's talk about what the solutions are. We will review what you wanted. But we're also going to review anything we came up with or thought of that may be applicable or beneficial for you that's either going to return the cheapest life cycle cost, maybe a more cost-effective day one option. And because we always have our apples to apples guarantee, this is really the big one, because what most people want to do is just look at roof, price. And in commercial roofing, no two scopes are the same. And that's where that apples to apples guarantee becomes so huge, because one or two missing line items can have a dramatic and significant effect both on the system and its longevity, but equally as important, on the price you pay. So by having our roofing specialist, or yours at that point, roofing specialist out there, if there are questions, hey, what's the difference? Why is this $150,000 and this one $178,000? They can sit with you and educate you, pros, cons, is it a viable option? Because remember, we're going to go back to the beginning, since there's no real licensing or certification requirements for commercial roofers. People claiming to be a commercial roofer will put forth a lot of ideas that building owners think are saving them money. And heck, they might not even meet code or might not meet manufacturer recommendations. So you're just buying a really expensive bad product, which ends up costing you, as the building owner, more time, more money. And hey, at the end of the day, when we go, after we're done with that process, if we're not the right fit, if we can't do the scope that you're looking at, there's no harm, no foul. We've gone through, we've done our job. We have educated you. You now understand your options. You understand the pricing. You understand the pros and cons of the different systems that you may be looking at. And if we're not the right fit, we'll shake hands, no big deal. We're still going to feel great knowing that we did serve you, because at a bare minimum, you're now better educated and made a fully informed decision. So if that sounds like a pretty good option for you, meaning spend 10 minutes with us at the front end, let our inspector go out, do their job, and then spend somewhere between 30 to 45 minutes with us at the back end to make sure you're educated, we want to help. We don't care if it's a replacement or repair. We want to help. Remember, we're on a mission to prove there's a better way to serve our team, you, the clients, and the community through the roofing industry. And we think this commercial process is the best way to do that. So if you're interested, go ahead and give us a call, 586-566-0308. You can always just go right on our website, kanga-roof.com, and click the schedule my own appointment option. And as always, I hope you found this beneficial, and I really hope you have a Kanga-rific day.